Hey everyone, I'm here in Zhangguan-o. Today I'm going to be going to the decathlon over there. I'm going to be buying some equipment to use in my upcoming Hong Kong series called Exploring Hong Kong. I guess I've already been posting quite a few videos on this, but make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss any video in this upcoming series. So in preparation for this upcoming series, I've come to Zhangguan-o today. I'm going to go to Decathlon, which is a sporting goods store. As you can see, it's really big. We've got this side, and it goes all the way over here. So I'm going to go buy some trekking shoes, and can't wear these Yeezys up into the mountains and through mud or whatever I'll be walking through. But wow, look how cool this area is. A lot of nice apartments over here.
Please retest. Normal temperature.
One thing that I do plan on exploring are the abandoned Japanese tunnels that were used during World War II as bomb shelters. And apparently there's a lot of them scattered all around the island and around Hong Kong's areas. And so I do want to get one of these headlamps to illuminate the tunnels. So these backpacks are like 10 US dollars, but they're decent quality. These ones are a little bit more. Oops. Always choose the one in the back, it's the cleanest. Battery died on my GoPro, so switching over to my phone. Thought I'd show everyone the checkout process. It's pretty cool here. I think they use like what, RFID or something, is that what it's called? So you kind of just drop all your items into a bin and then it tells you what you have. So I apologize, I don't really have any vlogging equipment right now, so everything that I'm doing is kind of handheld. So it might not, maybe the length, I don't know, it might not look that great. But anyway, so I made it back out of, what was it called? Decathlon. Picked up this backpack. I actually already have this one. I bought one in San Francisco Decathlon back when I was interning there last summer. I just bought some pants for hiking, and also this where is it? I got one of the nicer ones. It's got like 400 lumens. Oh, it's only 2-hour battery. I thought it said 20-hour battery. I think it depends on the brightness, I guess. So anyway, this will be useful when it comes to the time when I go explore those. All right, so as for the Mavic Air, this is actually my first time flying it. I've had it for about a week now, but I was finishing up those Mavic Mini videos that I uploaded. So this is my first time using it and setting it up, so hopefully it's ready to go. I did turn it on before and I did the initial setup, so hopefully it's it's not too hard or too much different from the Mavic Mini, because I am flying in a more busy area. I guess this area is pretty open. It's not as bad as like when I was in Kennedy Town. So anyway, I'm gonna get this drone set up real quick, and then I'll I guess that my my GoPro died, so I can't use that to record. And I can't use the phone because I got to plug it into the controller. Honestly, that was a little bit more troublesome than I thought it was going to be. I had way more interference, not with GPS signal this time, but it was the RC signal interference. That was actually pretty bad. Like, even just hovering above myself, I couldn't get connection. It's probably because there's so many buildings here, but you know, I feel like I should have brought the Mavic Mini to compare it, but yeah, just flying it around here, I had a lot of issues with it. So I'm gonna take it somewhere else, somewhere with less buildings maybe, and we'll see how it goes. Well, that was a little bit annoying. Couldn't get the connection I was hoping to from the aircraft, so I'm gonna go to a little bit more open area and see how it goes, because technically, from what I've heard, is that the connection on the Mavic Air 2 should be better than the Mavic Mini, but it doesn't seem to be the case. So yeah, I just looked on Google Maps. Looks like there's a park somewhat nearby. I don't know if they're allowed drones or not, but we'll go check it out and see. So I'm kind of just wandering through random areas of Zhangguan right now, and it's pretty nice, like nice area. I haven't really been around here too much. Actually, you know, all of Hong Kong I haven't explored that much, outside of the main areas of the city, like Central, just all the main areas. So it's kind of nice to come out and explore a little bit. Looks like a lot of people are drying their blankets over here. It's interesting. Well, I don't see why not here. I mean, got space, open area, but it might be a little bit dusty. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I'm not gonna take off. I just bought this. I've been flying my Mavic Mini on taking it off from some dusty areas, and it kind of jammed up the gimbal a little bit, I think. So I don't want to have that. I don't want to have that happen to my Mavic Air 2 right now. So let's keep going. Let's see what we can see. Well, supposedly there's a park right here that I could take off from. I don't see it yet. Oh, actually, it might just be right here. We'll see if there's too many trees or if it's too dusty. I should have pulled out my launch pad. Did find a nice open area here. Big clearance up above, some nice buildings in front. A lot of people relaxing here, actually. So, alright. Anyway, get set up real quick and well, I honestly thought that would fix the problem if I came to a more open area, but clearly not. I'm still getting so much interference I can barely hover above my head, so there's definitely something going on with the drone. I'll figure it out. Anyway, time to go home. See you later.